Now, this inventory and appraisal is a list of all the assets that the deceased have. So if their bank accounts, contents of homes, firearms. I had a one case one time, excuse me, they identified the contents of a safety deposit box. So they said the contents of a safety deposit box, which was cash, was an estate asset. Now, part of the reason why they did that is right before the deceased had passed away, he had sold a car and he took the money from the sale of the car and put it in the safe with his wife. And because they put that money in the safe, um, they felt like it was a probate asset. Now, in that particular case, the battle was between the surviving spouse and her stepchildren. The stepchildren felt that they were legally entitled to the money that was in the estate because their dad died. But again, under Ohio law, there are certain elections and benefits that surviving spouses get because they are the surviving spouse. But again, that was an item that gets identified on the inventory. Now, once the inventory and appraisal gets submitted to the probate court, it is a list of all the assets and their values. Okay. And so, again, it's a list of all the assets and their values. From time to time, we see people say, you know what? There are assets that belong in the estate that aren't on the inventory and appraisal. And under law, the person who's complaining about that, they have the right to submit objections.